Ever been intrigued by the idea of creating your own website but felt overwhelmed by the technicalities? Well, fear not. Today we're going to navigate through the process, breaking it down into easy, manageable steps. We've assisted over 400,000 people in creating their websites with WordPress, and now it's your turn. Our ultimate guide to creating a WordPress website is designed to be user-friendly, suitable for all ages and skill levels. If at any point you feel you need assistance, our expert team is always on standby to help. This tutorial will take you from the initial stages of finding and registering a domain name for free to choosing the best web hosting, installing WordPress, selecting and customizing a template, creating pages, and even customizing WordPress with add-ons and extensions. One of the most common misconceptions is that you need to be a web developer to create a custom website. That's not the case here. Our guide is crafted specifically for those who aren't tech-savvy, and will show you a no-code solution to create your website. To kickstart your WordPress site, you'll need 3 things: a domain name, which is your website's name, WordPress hosting, where your website files will be stored, and 45 minutes of your undivided attention. The cost of creating a WordPress website varies greatly depending on the kind of website you're trying to build. A typical personal website can cost as low as $100, while a business website can range from $100 per year to as high as $30,000 per year. We always recommend starting small and then gradually adding more features as your business grows. This way, you'll save money, minimize potential losses, and avoid overspending. In this guide, we'll show you how to build a website for less than $100. So, what's the best website builder platform? There are many to choose from, but we recommend using self-hosted WordPress. It's the most popular website platform in the world, powering nearly 43% of all websites on the internet. It's free, open source, and comes with thousands of pre-built website designs and extensions. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to guide you from start to finish in building a professional-looking website. Just follow the instructions and you'll be a proud website owner before you know it. So buckle up and get ready to embark on this exciting journey of creating your very own website.